Hi, in this video, I will show you how to split test links using ClickMagick. If you want to use ClickMagick for free, then click the link in the description below to start 14-day free trial. Using the split testing feature on ClickMagick can easily double the revenue of an online business because links can be improved over time to increase conversions. So, click on links. Then create a new link, just click here. Then, name your link. Add your primary URL here. And click on Create Link. And you can see that the link was successfully created. Now click on Settings and then select Split Testing from the drop-down menu. Now here, click on Add a Variation URL. And then, add your variation name. Add a variation URL, then choose your weight. I would set it 50% because I want it to be even and see which pages are performing best. You could do 20% if you just wanted to start small. Then click on Add Variation. Now, go back by clicking on the link. Now here you can see this icon. It means that split testing is successfully completed. If you click on it and then copy this tracking link and use it in a new tab, then your traffic will automatically be divided equally between the primary URL and the variation URL. This is awesome. Thanks for watching our video.